First, we'll go to the English and Chinese screen. Click to enter the English screen. The following displays are debug screen, function screen, parameter settings, output settings, and I/O monitoring. First, click the debug screen. This section contains the following: first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, test head switch, storage, turntable, fifth gear, test head trigger signal, feed conveyor, and push valve. This is the debug screen, allowing manual debugging. Click Return, then click the Function screen. This includes Single Screen Test, Multi-Screen Test. Click Multi-Frequency Test Settings. Each frequency is switched on and off, and the signal reception is switched on and off, with settings for first, second, and third gears. How many frequencies should we set, and which gears should we use? Using multiple frequencies to achieve this tiering, click Back and then Parameter Settings. Initially, the parameters include contact time and test time, which can be set here. Additionally, settings include feed detection delay, horizontal full feed delay, and the desired precision. On the right, you can set the turntable speed and push time. This includes the feed time, main motor stop time, and main motor run time. Also, the reset count, which specifies the number of resets per time. Return to the main page, and then we will set the output. The output setting is the same. We need to count how many have been made in each gear. Here is our expected output value. For example, if we enter a predicted output value of 100, this is the value for calculating the output at that time. For example, if the output value of the first gear is 100, then we will press this to reset it. Pressing this will reset our first gear. After reset, it will count from the first to 100 again, and so on. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Here is our expected output value. Enter the predicted output value. For example, 100. We enter 100 and make as many as needed. Here are all our gears. To reset, just press this. This is what we did before. No matter how many were made here, a reset action will be performed to reset it. Click Return. At the end, the I/O monitoring section is divided into the PLC's I/O signal points. Red signal points indicate a signal. For example, in the example below, X10 indicates a signal, while green indicates no signal. Now, let's go back to our storage conveyor. This is the adjustment section for our storage conveyor. Here's the speed control switch, which adjusts the speed between fast and slow. This is the on/off switch. The unloading turntable has a discharge port. This is the turntable switch, which also adjusts the speed. This switch can also be adjusted. This is the main air supply switch for the entire system. Here's the horizontal conveyor belt before testing. We have 3 fiber optic amplifiers. This corresponds to our discharge sensor, a fiber optic sensor. This is the one we use to detect positioning. Compare this to our fiber optic amplifier. When there's a signal from this product, it lights up. This is the cylinder that pushes the material out after testing. This is our test head. We've covered all the functions. First we press the reset button, and then we can start the machine directly.